Unraveling the Mystery. What does line dry really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to unravel a common but often misunderstood phrase in English, line dry. Whether you're reading a clothing label or following laundry instructions, understanding this phrase is essential. Let's dive in and make sense of it together. First, let's break down the phrase, line dry, into its two components. 1. Line. This refers to a string or wire used for hanging clothes after washing. 2. Dry. This simply means the process of removing moisture until something is no longer wet. Put together, line dry means to hang wet clothes on a line to dry naturally in the air, instead of using a machine dryer. Line dry is most commonly found in laundry instructions. It's a method suggested for drying clothes to avoid damage that might occur in a dryer. Casual conversation, when discussing laundry habits or preferences. Examples in sentences. The label says to line dry this sweater to prevent shrinking. I prefer to line dry my clothes. They smell so fresh. Environmentally friendly. Line drying is seen as an eco-friendly option, reducing energy consumption compared to using an electric or gas dryer. Cultural variations. In some cultures, line drying is the norm due to climate, energy-saving habits, or lack of dryers. In others, it's less common, especially in colder or more humid regions where drying clothes outdoors is challenging. I hope this video has clarified what line dry means and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English. Remember, understanding such everyday phrases can greatly enhance your language skills and cultural understanding. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.